Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be packaging up some Merry Mail, so I thought I would share that process with you guys so you can see the types of things that I include in packages to my friends. Hopefully give you guys some ideas of what you can include in your Happy Mail, as well as how to package it cutely and put it in the box cutely and all that. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin, I have this paper pad. This is from Joann, and it has some really pretty papers in here, some red glitter, green glitter, and then some foils. So I'm just going to put that down here at the bottom. I also picked up this pack of stickers at Target. You guys might have seen this in my Target haul, so I just covered up the top with some paper. To make it coordinate a little bit better. I also have this package here that I'm going to include for my friend. I'm going to pop this right there and then put some crinkly paper on the side of that to kind of help protect it because it is a little bit fragile. I have this tin of cookies that you guys might have seen in a previous video, as well as the box of the Peppermint Junior Mints. Those go in there too. Also have the little peppermint container that I created. I'll go there. And then I also made this little wrapper for this candy bar, so that will go right there. I also picked up this pack of bath fizzers, so I guess these are like little bath bombs, but they are peppermint scented, so I thought that would be kind of fun to send to my pen pal. So these are just going to set right there. I have this little baggie with some goodies in there that I can't remember what I put in there now, as well as this little cookie tin. I'm gonna put the cookies right there, and then right there. Some little gingerbread peeps because I think that those are so adorable. Actually, these will fit really nicely right there. And this little guy can go right there. I'm going to put in some little crinkly bits. It's fun to put these kind of between the different layers. I also have a few little bags with some goodies in there. It's a little envelope, some little stickers, and then a little personal thing my friend to have. I also wanted to include one of my little hot cocoa packets that you guys have also seen, this VIDMAS. This is the little mini folio that I made using Serena B's tutorial. And then this is just a little envelope I created with some stuff in there. And then one of my little zines I just kind of tucked into this baker's twine. Like that. And then I also have this little Reese's Pieces tree thing that I wanted to include because those are always fun. Some more little crinklies on here. I try to put some down in the sides to kind of protect that item. Okay, so we'll go like that. And then I purchased a big tub of these like little peppermint mint things, so I'm just going to throw some in here. And they smell really good, so hopefully they'll make the package smell really good. And then that is it for all the goodies. So I've got some tissue paper on the top. I have just a little bit of crinklies left, so I'm gonna throw those on here as well. And then I have a greeting card for my friend too that I'm just going to put right on top. And that is how I am packaging up this Merry Mail for my friends. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you got some fun ideas on things you can include in Happy Mail and ways to kind of package it up and stuff. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!